Friends, I am Malav and I welcome you all in our new video. In today's video, I am going to tell you about some more Udemy courses which are available for free, and after that in most of the courses you will also get the certificate of completion. So without wasting any short of time, let's move to our first course. So our first course is on JavaScript. So it is a good course for those who want to learn the Java programming, who want to learn JavaScript, etc. So this course is free for one day. This course is about a half an hour, and in this course you will get 5 lectures, and after that you will also get the certificate of completion. Our next course is on affiliate marketing. So this is a good course for those who want to learn affiliate marketing, want to generate the passive income. In this course you will learn about how to pick up right affiliate program, how to generate maximum target, maximum audience, how you can get maximum returns, etc. 2.5-hour course available for free for one day and comprises of 33 lectures. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on Python programming. So this is the most demanded course, and in this course you will learn about Python programming from very scratch. This is a 31.5-hour big course available for free for just one day. In this course you will get about 378 lectures, and once you enroll for it you will also get the lifetime access for the same. Our next course is on learn how to juggle and how to make your own juggling balls. So this is the creative course one. This is not about something about programming or finance, or this is for everyone. In this course you will learn about how to juggling the balls, and this is the 1-hour course available for free for 2 days. In this course you will get 22 lectures, and after that certificate of completion also. So you will get the certificate for juggling the balls. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on cyber security stories. In this course you will learn about different types of virus, what is do's and don'ts for your privacy of data. This is a half an hour course available for free for one day and comprises of 12 lectures. After that you will also get the certificate. All these links of this course are available in the description. You have to just click on the link and then press enroll now button, so you will get to the course. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on master the art of conversation. In this course you will not get the certificate, but this is a good course to will increase your soft skill, be more confident, and increase your communication skill. So this is a very good course. I personally recommend to get enrolled for this course. This is a course is about only 1 hour and available for free. Our next course is on introduction to domain names and web hosting. So if you are a web developer, if you want to be web developer, if you are a businessman and you want to learn about domain names, etc., so this is a good course for you. In this course you will learn how domain names work, what is the role of ICANN, what is the role of domain register, how to conduct a voice search, etc. This is a 1-hour course, comprises of 14 lectures and available for free for just one day, and after that you will get the certificate also. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on web development. Again the course for web development. In this course you will learn web development with the help of CSS3. So in this course you will learn how to develop a complete website using HTML and CSS. This is 4.5-hour on demand video available for free for one day, and in this course you will get 54 lectures, and you can see these all courses on mobile also, and on desktop, laptop and TV, etc. So you can get enrolled for the course, and once you enroll, you will get the lifetime access. Our next course is on color correction and grading with Adobe Premiere Pro. In this course you will learn about how to create the color, you will learn about the color philosophy, you will learn how to match two different shots, how you can correct the exposure and white balance. So this is a very short 43-minute course available for free for one day, and this course comprises of 9 lectures. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on Pinterest marketing. So this is a good course for those who want to learn marketing, we want to generate their leads in their business. So in this course you will learn what is Pinterest, what is Pinterest terminology, how you can use promoted pins, how you can design your own pins, what are the rich pins, how you can scheduling tools, etc. So 1-hour good course available for free for one day, and this course is comprises of 16 lectures, and after that you will also get the certificate also. So this is a very new course, no ratings are available for this course, but if you want to learn something new, you can definitely enroll for the course. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on complete Photoshop CC. So Photoshop CC is a good tool for photo editing. Those who want to learn photo editing from very beginning, so they can enroll for the course. This is a good course for them. This is a 4-hour course along with 70 downloadable resources, free for 1 day, and after that you will also get the certificate. This course comprises of 60 lectures. Nearly 15,000 students are enrolled for the course. So good course who want to learn Photoshop, want to learn photo editing, and how to create professional photos. So let's move to our next course. Our next course is on create Android apps without coding. In this course you will learn about how to do advanced web development without any knowledge of coding. So good course who want to learn the app development, etc. 14 lectures available in it, free for 2 days, and 3 hours course available for free for 2 days, and after that you will also get the certificate. You will not have to worry about any such coupon codes. I will give the direct links of the you just have to click the link and get to the this link, and just you have to press the enroll now button to enroll for the course for free. Our next course is on 251 simple ideas to kill your boredom. So I know you all are stuck at home or stay at home, and you want to do something new, you want to do something creative. So this is a good course for that. After that you will not get certificate, but you will learn how you can do something new. So this is a good course of about approximately 47 minutes, and this course you will learn how you can create your boredom and learn something creative, do something creative, etc. Our next course is on Shopify guide. In this course you will learn how you can start your own clothing brand. So this is the good course for those who want to create their new, who want to start their new business, who want to create their clothing brand without any money. So if you don't have any Shopify knowledge, still you can enroll for the course. No previous knowledge about Shopify is required before enrolling this course. 2.5-hour course available for free for 2 days, and this course is comprises of 14 lectures. After that you will also get the certificate also. Now let's move to our next course. Is on financial analysis with the help of Excel. In this course you will learn about various asset management ratio, how you can calculate them, what are the formulas of that, etc. will be given, will be explained in this course. This is 1-hour course available for free for 1 day and comprises of 14 lectures. So this is the good course for those who want to start their career in financial data analysis, or who have already started their career in financial data analysis and want to learn something new. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on crowdfunding. In this course you will learn about how you can boost your fundraising. So this is a good course for those who want the fundraising or who want to learn about crowdfunding. This is a 3.5 hours on demand video and 37 minutes on demand audio, free for 1 day. In this course you will get about 45 lectures. So this is a good course for those who want to learn something new about crowdfunding and who want to generate it. Now let's move to our last course. Our last course is on set up virtual web server using Linode and DigitalOcean. So this is the good course who want to learn about Linode and DigitalOcean. This is a good course. In this course you will learn about some Ubuntu concepts also. This is a 2.5-hour course available for free for 1 day, and this course is comprises of 37 lectures, and after that you will also get the certificate of completion. So friends, that's it for today. You will get all the links of free course in the description, and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you will never miss any courses and get the free courses before the coupons expire. Also join my Telegram channel to get more updates about such courses. In my Telegram channel I also upload some short courses which are available at free and which are very short term available. So please join my Telegram channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.